Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Earn to Die 2 game on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Now once you are inside the homepage, tap on the search button and just type in Earn to Die 2 and begin your search. Once you find the Earn to Die 2 game, just tap on it and then tap on the install button, which will then begin the download and installation of this game on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation has been completed. Once it is done, you will then see the play button. You can now click on this button and now the game will be launched on your device right away. You can now start enjoying the game and also sign up or log in to save your progress online. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Earn to Die 2 game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.